Suddenly I am on a safari in Africa. I ride a jeep through the grass. I see a lion under a tree.
Alfred Wegener was a German geologist. He created a theory of a movement of the continents, but it was not widely accepted because it had a flaw. Scientists later...
Hello. Hi. Can I talk to Cody? Sorry. He's not home. But he's... Be quiet. Be on time. Turn off the water. Please give me some water. Wash the dishes, please. Be quiet. Please pass me the bowl.
Hello everyone, my dad is funny. My dad's favorite colors is blue. He teaches me to golf and soccer.
Roads and marines men built a theater without a roof because they did not have a lot of money. The stage was in the middle of the yard, so it was difficult to change the stage scene to scene. The group used simple things to
Symbol have both good and bad meaning for many different characters. The swastika used to mean look good luck for many characters, but the Nazis changed the way many people thought about it. The peace sign is another example of do you take part in any school activities? Yes, I have on the volleyball team. How often do you have volleyball practice? I have volleyball practice 3 times a week.
Professional jugglers can do lots of tricks. Amateur jugglers can only do basic juggling, but it can still impress friends. Beginners should not practice with the balls at first. It is
my favorite food. Pizza is delicious. I want to eat pizza for breakfast. I want to eat pizza for lunch. I want to eat pizza for dinner. My name is Dad. My dad and our neighbors work together. They replace the windows. They move the tree and branches out of the tree. Animals try to eat trash. Some animals get sick, explained Patty. Some animals get tangled in the trash. We must wait for water go away. My dad and our neighbor work together to fix the roof. Was excited. Mr. Lowly typed letter for work. Our stories, we are the winner. First, our team scored 2 points. After that, the other team scored 2 points. outside. No, you can't. Can you help me with my homework? Yes, I can. Can your brother climb?
One day snow begins to fall. Winter is here. I will hide in my nest. I can enjoy good food. We're sorry. I want to play.
My name is Sarah. My dad and my mom is smart. My dad likes to work and bake onions and grow like colors. My mom likes it and Ted play together. Finn and Ted chase each other. My name is Sally. My parents are kind and special. My dad is funny. My dad, he teaches me to study math. Realize it's something sweet. My mom, cool. She teaches Ted, who's mom? Mom is working. Mom, who's dad? Dad, are you? I'm good.